Happy Dashain, under the rain. First rainy Dashain. So this is the raw village style goat cutting in Nepal. Don't judge. This is a traditional way, so I'm just showing how they do in Nepal. So I didn't show the worst part, which is the goat cutting. We all hide inside the house. So the explanation, what are you doing exactly?
This is kukuma. Powder and the oil. There might be some hair which are stick here. So once we do that, the hair will go. What they said, when you put the kukuma on the things, bad things, evil things cannot come there.
Okay. Yeah, but people actually it's like kind of hypocrite. People eat, but they don't want to see how it's made. But in village, this is the way. You cannot go to the butcher.
Every house, if you go to every house, everyone is doing this.
Yeah, we show the reality.
Yeah.
And we are going to show the village style cooking during Dashain.
And you, as an expert of garlic, you should.
I'm going to cut garlic again. Yeah. So you're gonna cut in a way that is the village way, or in a butcher way?
Village.
But this is what it is. Yeah, it doesn't even look like anymore.
This is fat.
Oh. Yeah, you don't eat that, right? Oh, it's very special. So. This is real skills, huh?
So that's why I talk
Professional.
butchering the.
Yeah.
You.
Yes. This is the liver, right?
Yeah. Kidney.
You don't eat the kidneys. Then.
We eat.
So what you don't eat?
We eat everything.
Even the fat?
Yes.
Kita खाली निकालिसक्यो होला नि
When you put it, निकाल्नु पर्यो नि कलेजो अनि त्यसपछि फोक्सो
त्यही त पित्त राउँछ निकालेपछि अरु भन्छ खाली निकाल्छ होला
त्यो निकाल्दिम राम्रो खरै
अनि पहिला त
काट त्यो त काटेर निकाल्नु हुन्छ यो यहाँ चुड्छ नि नि
जोर्दन खै पाप
वर्षमा एकचोटि काटिन्छ अनि बान्दिनेलाई मैले एकचोटि खाइदिएको थिएँ जमानामा
त्यही बेला खायो त
के भयो के
घरकै हो
घरमा
पित्त खाइहाल्यो
भनेको के अरे
त्यही भएर तितो भन्छ मुखमा सुरुमै त तितो नहुनु पर्यो नि त
एक्सपिरियन्स
यहाँ त कस्तो पिस काट्नु त के हुन्छ थाहा हुन्छ नि बुवाहरूलाई कस्तो पिस काट्नु त कसरी कुन तरिकाले काटेपछि त मिठो हुन्छ वर्षकै बुढो भएपछि यहाँ छैन र छ झिक्नी यहाँ छ नि झिक्ने तेरीमा त्यसै खाला गा पाइन्छ
Oh.
Okay. Oh my god.
And before we had a dog, Lucienne.
Yeah.
It was her home here. But unfortunately, she passed away. Yeah, it was a member of our family, a wonderful dog. She was such a wonderful dog with children.
यहाँ समादा अर्को हातले
किन भागो घर गरे भको भएछ
Kule. खानी हो
ouais.
सौदा बल्ले प्लास्टिक हाल्नु प्लास्टिक No, no.
Ah ouais? I will have thought it's the same, you know?
बिस्तारै बिस्तारै No, no. ठिक छ
China?
बिस्तारै चला न बिस्तारै Only in Nepal, huh?
Only in Nepal?
Yeah, this is look.
A specialty
It's like a wasp, but bigger. Look, this. We believe if you eat this, your bone pains go away. This is the larva.
So it's a specialty of Tanahun or?
I think in hilly region, everyone eat this. And this is, you know, what is the plate price? Like this is 1600 for this. 1600.
Wow.
Look how she is gonna eat.
Mito?
मिठो
Really?
You should try.
मसला नहालेको पानी मुडी मात्रै खान्छन् के बाबा
Look,
सबै सबै करम करम
you just swallow.
मिठो
So this is
This is special meat.
village style cooking, goat. This is a real way of cooking in the village.
All the intestine inside, like
Oh,
liver.
you are cooking that first?
Yeah, liver, lungs, then the kidneys, fat.
Okay.
It's the inside part. It's not real meat. It's a vitrans.
Yeah.
Vitrans means like a butua. And
Ah, okay.
methi. Garlic.
But really old style,
Traditional.
traditional, village style. So and it's more tasty this way
But
of
very
cooking.
much.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Ah.
Fully sweating. Since wake up I was cutting. Now I'm cooking. Salt. Masala.
That. This is the blood.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was huge blood. Here. And now
Camilla.
it was huge blood before, and now it looks exactly like blood sausage.
Yeah.
The inside. Actually, I like this.
Yeah, I wanted to do sausage, but
Oh wow. That just happened? New baby. Oh wow. Where are you going? Where are you going? Kitty pie. Putty putty poo. Money, 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 money.
खाना खायो खायो
So cute. T'as paille?
खाए
So this is how you do this.
Kukuma, oil, and then you mix it.
You don't have to cook that.
No, it's
This is how they dry the sukuti. In village, all village style. Happy Dashain under the rain. First rainy Dashain. Oh, petit ramro. It's so raining for Dashain. First time I'm filming Dashain, and first time it's rainy Dashain. So we are above the cloud. It's so cloudy. Actually, the view is better here.
यस्तो गरेछ 100 रुपैयाँ दे बाबुलाई 50 रुपैयाँ दिनु नदिए यार एउटा चीजको खाँचो छ अरे त्यो सब बुद्धिको चीज खाँचो छ अरे सबै ठीक छ
के भयो कि
ल एकचोटि ढोक खान पाउँछ खा वर्षको एकचोटि
सबैलाई अरु एउटा दिएछ
ज्ञानी हो नि त छोरो ल ज्ञानी है छोरो है हाँस भन छोरो ठुलो बाबालाई यार
बाउ पनि बुझ्ने समुद्र हात छ आमा नि समुद्र हात छ अलि बुझ्ने भगवानले बुद्धि दिउन् पैसा मात्रै भएर जिन्दगीमा सुख हुँदैन
ओहो छोरालाई पैसा लिउ
पैसा ल जिउ गर्दै
यहाँ खोल्तीमा राख
यो पनि खानु पर्छ
खोल्तीमा राख ल
के खान्छौ खाने
खाइहाल्छ नि May the goddess Durga will bless you for eternal. To be always be happy and blessed. धेरै पढ्नु पर्छ ज्ञानी हुनु पर्छ हाँस छोरा हाँस भन अब ठुलो अब चाँडै बोल्नु पर्छ है छोरा बोल्न त बोले है अब आधा बोल्छ चाँडै बोल्न पर्छ ल यहाँ ल ल यसले हो कि मैले हो ढोक्ने ल ठिक छ अब सानो भइन्छ सानो आफै ढोक्नु पर्यो नि
अलि पढ्नुपर्छ नपढिकन केही हुँदैन टिकट लाउने है हाँस भन हुन्छ ल यता हेर है
ड्राइभरै होला जस्तो छ
अलि चकचक कम गर्न पर्यो
So it's raining, slippery, and there is leeches. I think it's the longest monsoon season in Nepal. Look at our garden, so nice. So there is bananas. So this is sag, spinach, radish coming out, green chili. 5 years back, even 6 years back, village was way more alive, but people who begin to migrate into city and not anymore celebrate Dashain in village, but celebrating Dashain in village, I think it's very different than celebrating Dashain in city. It's way better, it's unique. What do you think? Do you prefer Dashain in village or in city? Allez, first house. But a lot of people moved out, huh? I remember my first Dashain, it was so many people we visited now.
Yeah, it's slowly it's disappearing now.
Yeah.
ज्ञानी हो ज्ञानी हो पढा नेपाली सम्झिन्छ
बुझ्छ
ल ल नमस्ते
नमस्ते गर्दै
नमस्ते भन
नमस्ते
लु भगवानले
गइरा हो
Tapari. It was full of sweets that we ate already.
ए भाइ पानी गएर सुत्न पो पर्ला जस्तो यहाँ टिका लगाएर माइलामा टिका लगाएर एकछिन बसौँला भने खै त आयो भनेको
Super raining, so I forget to film because I struggle. We are going from family to family to take the tika, and it's very slippery, and that's why we are going up. I'm filming, but going down, definitely it was risky for me first and for the GoPro second. Yeah, so it's very, and there is lychees also. Look, so this is super slippery. This is, I wanted to show you village life under the rain. It reminds me my first time in village. Who is behind me? Okay. This is the best way. Huh? Namaste.
Namaste, Baba.
Namaste. Sanjay ununcha?
Sanjay, Baba.
Paniporio. Very paniporio. Sabe. Adelika. Hey. Oh. Look at this. Voilà. We finally arrived at our final destination. I'm not sure I filmed a lot because it was unexpectedly raining. We even didn't film the feast. We had so much rain. I'm wet, but we are good. Voilà. So cute. Voilà, it happened. It had to happen in front of the camera. The first time Krishna brought me to the village was during monsoon in 2015. Yeah, and we fell on moto. I lost my shoe, and because of the rain, this year the rain is crazy. The path is little broken, huh? Because of the rain. Usually,
What is it broken?
the path. Usually it's more open, and that's it for Dashain. It's very rare, so it's a unique.
Time.
Unique.
Never had experience.
Yeah, it's what I said. 34 years of experience.
Dashain
We never.
raining.
Yeah. Nani sleeping? Bye bye, baby. Bye bye.
Not